cook. Shut up, I have the talking stick. Welcome to Shef Satt, the show where we have no idea what we're doing, but we are going to bring you the finest food content that you will ever see in your entire life. Our goal was spend less than $20 on ramen. Tonight we have Marichan ramen noodle soup. Ramen noodle soup, chicken flavor. We found the chicken flavor.
$2 for $2.
Plus, we got some scallion for some veg. We got some marinated and braising beef. It is top round steak, some ginger taste, and of course, no good gourmet ramen is without its hard-boiled eggs.
And this is all just about, it was just under $10.
It's doable, and this is all gonna feed 2 people. Let us chef it up. Step number 1 is obviously going to be to wash your hands, because when you have dirty hands, it's disgusting.
20 seconds.
20 seconds, on and off. The next step, right, we're gonna kind of want to lay out everything that we have. When I'm at home, I'm a chaotic cooker. Everything is in disarray. Tonight we are blessed with... Oh my god.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Yeah, it is.
I legitimately did not. Oh my gosh.
I really tried to hold it in as much as I could.
You're like...
On to step number 2. You know, no cooking is correct without a special chef's hat to wear with you. Now, on the account of us not being real chefs, we are going to use the best that we have for you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. So now that you've got your special chef hat, now you're gonna want to actually start cooking. So we're gonna do just that now.
There's soup in there. Oh yeah, that's my mother's soup. Come try it. It's really good actually. Oh, good. I'm on mother's soup. Get a load of that. ASMR.
MR strongest than darkness.
This was his idea, not a show. The meal. The show is my idea. I was laying in bed and I said, hey, no, that's not how the story went. I was laying in bed and I got sucked into 3 hours of cooking reels on Instagram. That's what happens when you work from home and you're self-employed. So I texted him and I said, hey, you want to start a cooking video? It's a cooking show. He said, sure. And here we are.
Here's me struggling to cut green onions.
You're doing great. I'm so proud of you. It's your fault.
I'm gonna just take our ramen and put them off to the side for a little bit. For each bowl that you're gonna do, you put 1 packet of seasoning, a scoop, mayo, you empty your ramen packet in, you're gonna do like a little dollop of mayonnaise, 1 egg yolk, and then we're gonna like just scrape up some ginger and put some like minced ginger in there. More of like a paste ginger. If you do mince, it's just gonna be weird because it's like chunky. So I'm gonna have him work on the ginger and then I'll work on the egg yolks. Yeah, that works a lot better.
Oh, look at that. Ginger paste. Is that really for?
Yeah.
How much?
That much is exactly the amount.
For each bowl?
Yeah.
Perfect. So get some more. I'm always afraid I'm gonna get like my fingers. Yeah. And my hands are clean, so me wiping this is okay. Ready? Ooh. That's actually a nicer noise than the other one. The other one just sounded like a little turd dropping. Whoa! That was a bad idea.
Yep. We also have our water boiling in the back, so I'm gonna throw some noodles in there real quick.
That's what we like to call boy dinner.
Boy dinner. Neither of us does that correctly, and it's frustrating because I don't know how to do it correctly.
Fun fact about me, I was a cook professionally for 3 months. It was quite fun. It wasn't anything like this. It was more like deli sandwiches and breakfast sandwiches.
Do you mind watching the pasta?
Yeah, it's doing great.
Can you tell it that?
You're doing great.
So what we're looking for specifically is a nice sear on the outside, but we want to leave it medium rare so it's pink on the inside. So we're gonna do, it's just a few seconds, we're gonna brown it on each side, go around the edges too.
So I got a rabbit. He's afraid of sizzling noises. Like we're gonna cook him. Also, I've prepared us very special drinks for tonight. I like to call it something called Heartbreak. It is a straight shot of vodka. Hey, shouldn't we have done the eggs? My mother has an egg cooker.
Does it take what, like 6 minutes?
I have no idea. Never used it. That's gonna change today. Put that on top and hit power. The directions.
Does that bother you?
No.
Alright, cool. Now, we've completed cooking the meat, completed cooking the noodles, we've finished mixing our mixture. Drain the ramen water into this, just enough to where you get an even filling on both. We'll put these back for a second, and then you just mix that concoction together. We're going to add our noodles.
All this smoke, ladies and gentlemen. Look at all this smoke.
And kind of, you know, you can seep your little noodles in there. And then just a sprinkle of some garnish. JD's and Littleman, the food is now done. Done cooking. We are going to clean up, and then we are going to take the first bite of the night. As a chef, always make sure you clean your tools off too. Knives, especially, because you're gonna use them a lot. It's a good idea to clean them. You know, some people just like leave them, which is disgusting. Like, I don't know why you would do that. But anyway, clean your knives. It's an order.
We don't do things anymore. Remember when we go to the mall all the time?
Yeah.
We'd go to Jersey like every week. We don't do that
I
anymore.
don't do anything with
I
my
don't know
life
why I
anymore.
do that. We just sit and play video games. And we started cooking shows.
But yeah,
It is
now we
nice.
do. Yeah, but now we could start a cooking show. Yeah, let's
Cooking
go.
show's fun.
Let's go to Jersey.
We should do an H Mart vlog.
We're already coming up with
This is
content.
gonna be the best thing ever. See, this is what we needed in our life. Who needs women?
We just need
I do,
bros cooking
but-
and eating.
Exactly.
Ladies, my number is 845. For real though, now we're gonna take the first bite. We'll let you know how it is.
I'm in war stance.
He is in war stance, ready for this bite.
Yeah. More ginger. Less ramen packet.
Different ramen packet.
Different ramen packet.
That literally didn't even take that long. It was my first time cooking it. The more I cook it, I'm probably gonna get like way faster at it. And you know, you can combine with different things. Add more eggs. You know, add like hard-boiled eggs.
We did
Which is
wanna
what
add eggs.
I wanted to add that, but we didn't get around to it. You know, just try different things. Try different ramens, different flavors, because they all have different packets and different seasonings too. But you know, the idea is kind of the same, and it came out delicious.
It's 6 out of 10 hats. We're doing a hat
Yeah.
system.
6 out of 10 hats. I love it.
6 out of 10 hats. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you tuning in. I always messed it up. No, we appreciate you tuning in to our show and watching Shef Satt.
We'll provide you some form of entertainment, at least, you know, just a few minutes.
We're funny.
Thank you guys so much. This has been Shef Satt. We love you. Have a great night. And bon appetit.